Hello everyone, welcome to this course on messenger marketing. Now this is going to be a full-blown end-to-end course on messenger marketing. Everything you need to know or learn to implement and use a messenger marketing module for your business. So what is messenger marketing? What all you are going to cover in this particular course? I'll be covering the overall curriculum step by step in this particular video. I'll give you a quick introduction about the whole curriculum and set the expectations what all you are going to learn in this particular course. But before that, you need to know what is messenger marketing and why is it important for your business. As of 2020 and beyond, Facebook came out with a massive algorithm change. The change says that organic or post without any kind of sponsored ad would be shown based on their likelihood with your audience. So if your audience likes your Facebook post, then the next time your post would be shown to that audience. So based on the audience preference for your content, they will be shown your content. So that is organic reach. Whenever you're posting something on Facebook page, organically, how many people are able to see that particular post? That is organic reach. So gradually the organic reach is declining over the period of time because of Facebook's algorithm change. Right now, if your content is not getting a lot of engagement, if your content is not sponsored, your post might get lost in the crowd of your Facebook feed and it might get a low organic reach with your audience. Just to support this particular point over here, I'll take you to a Facebook page and show you how this functions. So if you look at this particular Facebook page over here, it has around 4,500 page likes. So there are around 4,500 people who are following this particular page. But if you look at the organic reach over here, only 1 to 2 number of people have seen this particular post. Organic reach. If you look at this particular post over here, only 397 people out of 4500 plus people have seen this particular post. If you look at some other post, so if you look at this particular post, only 209 people have seen this particular post. So the organic reach of your Facebook post is getting reduced day by day. So how do you tackle this particular problem of reducing organic reach of your Facebook post? So there comes messenger marketing as a rescue. Now messenger marketing helps you get into the inbox of your audience directly, so you don't have the scarcity of getting lost in the crowd of your Facebook feed. So whenever you are posting something on Facebook, this post just got lost in the feed of your audience. A lot of your audience did not even see this post. The organic reach is not there. So if you're reaching out to this all of your audience inbox, then definitely there's a higher chance that they will be looking at your message or looking at your post and reacting back or responding back. Facebook Messenger has got a large market share. 1.3 billion people in the world use Facebook Messenger every day. Now definitely Facebook 1.3 billion people is not your target audience. 1.3 billion people is not your market size. 1.3 billion people are not your customers. So definitely as per your niche, as per your product or service type, you'll have a certain size of the market. But the point over here that I'm trying to make is you have got a lot of people using Messenger. Almost 99% of the people who are having a Facebook account is using Messenger as a platform for their day-to-day messaging or day-to-day chat. Now there are endless possibilities with Facebook Messenger. You can use Facebook Messenger to reach out to your audience inbox. So you are ensuring that you get a response, you get an engagement from your audience because you're directly reaching out to their inbox. Next, you also get certain marketing elements that are there in Facebook Messenger. So Facebook Messenger came out with a full-blown marketing module. So what all you can do, you can broadcast your message. So whenever you are posting out any new blog content, or you are just launching any new product, any new campaign, any new discount offer, you can broadcast that particular message to all your audience. That is all the people who have subscribed to your Facebook Messenger. You can also create a group communication, a group chat. You can create a group and broadcast your brand communications in that particular group. You can also create regular polls, conversations, games on the Facebook Messenger that would interact with your audience, keep them engaged, and in return get feedback from your audience, and that insight would help you make your products and services better and better. You can also use Facebook Messenger to create an automated format of communication for a superior customer experience. So imagine a situation where your audience is able to interact with your customer support 24/7, 365 days, 7 days a week. So you are ensuring that you are present with a solution as and when your audience is encountering with any kind of problem and they reach out to you over Messenger. So you can automate the messaging or the communication with your audience through your Facebook Messenger without having to have a physical person in the backend to respond to the audience query manually. You can also have direct menu buttons, direct call to action buttons in your Messenger so that the users can directly sign up or land up on a website from your Messenger text. So just to give you a quick idea of how this functions, I'll take you to this particular web page, Facebook page over here. So this is from AirAsia. So if you look at this particular page from AirAsia and if you click on send message over here, you'll find there is a scrolling menu over here. So booking policy, confirmation of hotels, payment options, booking period, hotel stay period. So there are multiple options. Now these are known as menu buttons. So you can have a flow of menu buttons in your Messenger chat box so that whenever someone lands up on your Facebook page or on your Messenger, they are getting an option to click on a particular button and start a communication. So if someone is looking to know about booking policy, they can simply click on this booking policy and an automated flow of communication starts, and you'll find that the menu button over here changed. So they are now looking to know about my booking period. So as soon as I click on this particular button, I'll get my second message over here. So there is no physical person in the backend who is responding to me. An automated bot is interacting with me and they're getting me to my ultimate destination instantly. So I want to book something, so instantly they just gave me the URL. So the user did not have to go to AirAsia's website and search for the right URL, right menu tab and book for something. So the Messenger bot is guiding the user to make a purchase. So this is how Messenger bot can help your audience. So there are multiple marketing elements, multiple possibilities in Messenger marketing, and that is all that you're going to learn in this particular course. So you're going to explore all possible marketing elements that you can do in our Facebook Messenger. We will also see how we can create a flow of message like this. So we can create a flow of messages to interact with our audience in an automated format. So we'll see how to create this flow of messages. We'll also see how to create a bot for our Facebook Messenger. We'll also see how can we broadcast a particular message or a marketing communication to all our Facebook Messenger subscribers or to all our audience. So with that, let me just quickly take you to the overall course curriculum. So I'll walk you through all the curriculum or all the modules that you're going to learn in this particular course. And from the next video, we're going to start with the course details. So to do Messenger marketing, to practice Messenger marketing, the first thing that you need to have as a prerequisite is a Facebook page. Definitely you shall also be having a Messenger activated for your Facebook page. You shall have a Messenger bot. Now in this particular course, we'll be creating this Messenger bot. You might not have this particular Messenger bot at this particular moment. So we'll create a Messenger bot. We'll also set up the send message call to action button in our Facebook page. For example, this particular send message call to action button. And also if you don't have a Facebook page, you can look at how to create a Facebook page on our social media marketing module. So the first thing that we're going to cover is what is Messenger marketing, how does it work. We'll understand the concept behind Messenger marketing, and we'll also plan an overall structure for our Messenger marketing, what all resources that we need to have as a prerequisite to get started with Messenger marketing, how does it actually works, and what are the different norms or best practices that we need to keep in mind. Then we'll try to understand why Messenger marketing, because if you want to do Messenger marketing for your business, you need to understand if at all Messenger marketing is relevant to your business, number one. Number two, if it is relevant, what all can I explore using Messenger marketing for my business? And then we'll move on to understand some use case examples. So we'll take examples of some leading brands and see how they have used different Messenger bots to create a communication flow for their audience. So we'll hop on to different leading brands Facebook page and see how they are leveraging the power of Messenger bots. Then we'll have a quick overview of the different examples, the different possibilities of a Messenger marketing. Now you can do Messenger marketing to sell tickets. You can do Messenger marketing to sign sign up people for your webinars. You can do messenger marketing to send traffic to your product page and make a purchase. You can do messenger marketing to broadcast your new blog publications or new marketing communications, new peer releases. So you can do messenger marketing for multiple purposes. So we will have a quick exploration of so we'll go through certain examples to understand how or what are the different possibilities that are there in messenger marketing, what all you can do using messenger marketing. And again, then we'll break up that particular stage, that particular module into again these 5 stages, where we'll try to understand how we can use messenger marketing to create a responsive customer experience for our audience, how we can use messenger marketing to increase the reach, engagement, and clicks or conversions on our broadcasted messages over messenger. Next, we'll also explore how we can use the call to action buttons to improve the conversions on our Facebook Messenger. We will also see how we can create a lead generation campaign using messenger marketing, how we can broadcast using messenger. In the next module, we'll understand the different options to create messenger bot. So at this stage, now that I know what all possibilities that are there in messenger marketing, how messenger marketing fits to my business, what all I can do using messenger marketing for my business, I need to understand how do I create a messenger bot. So in this particular module, we will explore the different options to create a messenger bot. So there are multiple options. You can use online tools, drag and drop tools to create a messenger bot. You can use online services, sales-based software services to create a messenger chat for your Facebook page. You can also download the code from Facebook developers page and custom code a chatbot for your business. So based on your business type, you need to select any of those modules and start building your bot. So in this particular module, we'll see how do we select the platform to build our bot and how do we actually build the bot. Then we'll see how do we plan the communication flow. So since someone is communicating with you, so this is an automated communication, you need to plan it very well. You need to give a very detailed view at it. You need to plan it in a very strategic manner. What happens when someone clicks on a particular button? What is the next communication that is going to be thrown to the user? So if someone clicks on open, where does the user lands up? So you need to plan a proper communication flow for your messenger chatbot. So this communication flow is very critical. We'll see how we can create a communication flow. Now for this particular messenger marketing course, we will be using ManyChat as a tool to build our chatbot for our Facebook Messenger. Now in that particular module, I'll explain in detail why we have chosen ManyChat, and if you want to use some other option, what shall be your approach. So in this particular section, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to create an account in ManyChat and connect it to your Facebook page. Also, I'll give you an overview of the dashboard, the different features and functions that you have on ManyChat. Then we'll start with the actual bot creation. We'll create a flow of communication. We'll create a chatbot for our welcome message whenever someone lands up on your Facebook page, how they get to interact with you over Facebook Messenger using a chatbot. Then we'll try to explore the different functions of ManyChat for marketing. So how do you segment your audience? How do you use the tags to create audience list? How do you broadcast your message through ManyChat so that you can reach out to all your audience? And then we end up with a session on analytics, where we try to understand how do we interpret or how do we define or derive insights from our ManyChat analytics to understand our performance on messenger marketing and strategize or plan our future communication as per that analytics. So that is how the overall course is structured. Now, if it sounds good to you, let's move on to the next session. Now again, after every session, if you have any doubt, any queries, please comment in the chat box over there, and I would be responding to each and every comment. I'll be solving each and every question that you might have. Now, let's move on to the next module. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.